Hello, fellow automotive lovers. Welcome back to our channel. This time, we will carefully review a truly iconic and luxurious car, namely the 2014 Range Rover Sport Autobiography. And what's interesting, this car has gone through a coating process which makes it even more shiny. First, let's take a quick look at what makes the 2014 Range Rover Sport Autobiography so special. With its elegant design, outstanding performance and luxury that have become Range Rover's hallmarks, this model truly deserves our attention. Now, let's move on to the features and specifications that make the 2014 Range Rover Sport Autobiography so special. From the powerful engine to the sophisticated entertainment system, this car truly provides the perfect combination of comfort and performance. What makes this car even more interesting is that this car has gone through a coating process. Before it was brought here, this car was also in poor condition, such as the rims which had lots of scratches, very deep, and also the condition of the paint is starting to fade. Therefore, it was taken to Wetgloss to be coated permanently, scratch-resistant, and permanently stained. The rims that were previously unpleasant to look at are now so beautiful and look like new again. Coating provides an extra layer of protection to car paint, not only making it look shinier, but also protecting it from scratches and other external elements. Let's take a closer look at the exterior appearance of this car. With its aerodynamic design, iconic grille and autobiography touches that make it look so exclusive, the 2014 Range Rover Sport really attracts attention on the road. Its comfort, stability, and responsiveness make every moment of driving an extraordinary experience. So, what do we conclude about the 2014 Range Rover Sport Autobiography with a wrap? This car not only meets expectations in terms of performance and luxury, but also provides an extra touch with a protective coating that keeps it shiny and well maintained. Thank you for watching this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have questions or experience with the Range Rover Sport Autobiography.